Learn
Learn
and
and
teach.
teach.
Deutsch.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madhi Processing Insa, and today I'm with my ESC stars, and today we are going to again go with the next chapter in the Deutsch language. It's called German. So here in German language, we are going to say when meeting someone means pleasure to meet you. So we are going to say angenehm. Okay. So angenehm, everybody. Angenehm.
Angenehm.
Madam.
Angenehm.
Okay, very nice. Angenehm. And then we always learn different ways to say how are you, and this is called as it all good. Everything is great, and then everything is great for me too. So here we speak in Deutsch like alles klar,
Alles
Alles
Beste und
Beste
dir.
bei dir.
alles Besten bei mir auch. So let's try it out at how it goes. Alles klar, alles bestens und bei dir. Alles bestens bei mir auch. Okay, so try to use your body language and gesture too, so you will remember it forever and ever. And now let's get going. So we are going to say lass uns loslegen. So say everybody, lass uns loslegen.
Loslegen.
Super. And now it's time for diktat. So everybody has to grab notebook and a pen and start writing in your notebook the words which I'm giving it to you. So here are a few words which we are writing it. So the first one is gross, 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 and second one is riesig, riesig. Third word is banana, banana. Next is einmal, einmal. Next is hübsches, hübsches. So, as we will do the further classes, we are going to see onto the next chapters that what are these words spellings are, and then you can tell it out. So, after the third, here we go. Aussprache, synonym, Bedeutung. So here it means pronunciation, synonyms, and meaning. So here, first word is cross. You can see the asset sign over here. Cross and the riesig. Okay, der Hund is groß and der Hund is riesig. Means the dog is big and this dog is huge. Okay, big and huge. So you all can repeat it, my dear shining stars, as we are doing this revision.
Gross, riesig.
Groß.
Der
Groß.
Hund ist groß, der Hund ist riesig.
Riesig.
Very nice. Okay, so here we have also practiced this. I am, you are, he, she, they are, we are, I was, you were, he was, she was, they were, we were, I will be, you will be, he will be, she will be, they will be, we will be, and I have, you have, he have, she has, they have, we have. So let's try to do this same in the Deutsch language, so you should know how to use our helping verb with subjects now. So let's try. Ich bin,
Ich
Ich
bin.
bin.
du bist, er
Du
ist,
bist.
we know already, so we can do it
Sie
together.
ist.
Sie ist, sie sind,
Sie sind.
wir sind.
Wir
sind.
Ich
Ich
war,
Ich
du
Du
warst,
warst.
er
Er
war,
war,
sie
sie
war,
war,
Sie
sie
wir
war,
waren,
Wir
wir waren.
Ich werde. Du wirst.
ich würde, du wirst,
Ich
er
werde,
wird,
du wirst,
sie
Wir
wird,
werden.
wir
Wir
werden,
werden.
wir
wir
werden,
werden.
Ich
wir
habe.
werden. Ich
Du
habe,
hast. Ihr
Du
habt.
hast, er hat, sie hat, sie
er
haben,
hat,
wir
wir
haben.
haben,
Sie
we
haben.
haben.
Wir haben.
Okay, very nice. Now let's move to Sadze. Okay, so in Sadze, we are going to learn line by line. So the first line, if you could say, it is written Es war einmal. So kindly speak Es war einmal.
Es
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 war
war
einmal.
einmal,
Es war einmal inmitten eines dichten Waldes.
es war einmal inmitten eines Waldes.
dichten Waldes.
Einmal. Es war einmal inmitten eines dichten Waldes ein kleines Haus.
Es
war
war
einmal
einmal
inmitten
in
eines dichten Waldes ein kleines Haus.
Es war
kleines Haus.
einmal inmitten des Hauses ein kleines Haus.
Avni, kindly speak, my dear. And the last green lines, we are going to speak complete sentence now. Es war einmal inmitten eines dichten Waldes ein kleines Haus, wo ein hübsches kleines Mädchen namens Rockkäppchen wohnte.
Es war einmal inmitten
war
eines
einmal
dichten
in
Waldes
einem
ein kleines Haus, wo ein hübsches kleines Mädchen namens Rotkäppchen wohnte.
namens Rotkäppchen wohnte.
Kleines Mädchen namens Rockkäppchen wohnte.
Okay, wunderschön. So it does means once upon a time in the middle of a dense forest, there was a small house where a pretty little girl named Little Red Riding Hood lived. Okay, so let's check it out one by one how it works. S is going to be it. Va is going to be. So we can try again two times. Okay, so it S.
It
SS
Was va
was
war
once einmal
einmal
okay, in the middle of amst we're gonna say inmitten
in
inmitten
so genitive form of ein, so we're gonna say of like eines
of
of
eines
genitive form Ines
thick or dense. Okay, we have used over here dense for us, so dense means dichten
dense distant
Distant.
okay, and genitive form of walled, okay, we can say wild as well, walled. So for us is going to be valdis okay, and is ein
ein
small or little, we're gonna say kleines
small little
kleines
okay, house
house
okay, house, so we say in English, and house we say in German, Deutsch, okay. So again, where, wo,
where
ein,
ein
please use your body language also when we are learning something. So use your hands. That will be more better for your gesture. If your facial expression, gesture, your body language will be there, so you will remember it forever. Okay. So again, pretty, hübsches. Okay. Name again, little, kleines,
little
kleines
girl, Mädchen,
girl Mädchen
named or by the name of, we're gonna say namens,
or by the name of namens
and Little Red Riding Hood is Rothkäppchen.
Little Red Riding
Caption
Lived, wohnte. Okay, so let's move to the next one, alphabet. Okay, so here we have also learned the way, like last time we have learned, could you please listen carefully? So last time we have learned A sound, that how to pronounce A sound. Today we are going to learn B sound. So it's gonna be in German, Deutsch language, you guys say B. So it's like Liebe Kinder, kommt ihr schon die Buchstaben B. Baby banane, baby bear, baby bug, baby ball, baby butt, baby basin, baby boom, baby broth. Okay, so kindly start, everybody.
Baby banana,
Baby
baby bear, baby
bear,
ball,
baby
baby ball,
Ball,
baby
baby
ball,
ball,
baby basin,
baby
baby
basin,
blue, baby broad.
Broth. Okay, amazing. So, window Sean. Let's move to the next one. Longest this what? So today's longest word is a little matchbox. Okay, does. Speak, everybody.
Does,
dash,
does,
Strish, strish, strish.
strife,
Holes, holes, holes.
holes,
Shushan, shushan, shushan.
shushan.
Das ist das Holz, das ist das Holzschüsselchen. Das ist das Holzschüsselchen.
Das ist Streich, Holz, Schächtelchen.
Okay, so the little matchbox. So simply, what happens? In Deutsch, people use compound words a lot. Okay, so many words together, and then it's gonna be automatically longest word. So we do not need to find a different longest word because Deutsch people are already in the habit of speaking, longest words. So here we go to the Gespräche. So Gespräche is conversation. We have also done in the last conversation all this, and the last one is additional over here. Okay, so let's try to first I'll speak the first line and you all will respond in the second line. Okay, and then again I'll be speaking the second one. You all will try the first one. Okay, so magst du nach dem Aufstehen? Aufstehen? Was Frühstück again?
Meistens esse ich Brot mit Butter und trinke Kaffee.
Kaffee.
Just trinke morgens immer Tee. Okay, now I'm going to, you all are going to speak the first one and I'll be using the second one. Okay, so let's start.
What must do
Ich dusche, sehe mich und frühstücke.
Was frühstückst du gern?
Meistens esse ich Brot mit Butter und trinke Kaffee.
Meistens esse ich morgens immer Tee.
Yeah, the last line you're supposed to say, okay? Now, let's move to sentence by sentence or word by word. Let's know the meaning. So, was magst du nach dem Aufstehen? This means, what, let's say again, what, was, do or you do, marks,
You do, marks,
you do, knock,
after, knock,
in the case of there is the is going to be dem, and getting up, waking up, we're gonna say aufstehen.
getting up, waking up, often.
Please use your hand gesture, my dear Shining Star, so you'll remember it forever. So not be lazy. So what do you do after getting up? So let's say, was magst du nach dem Aufstehen? So everybody, okay. Now let's move to the next one. It's going to be ish. Okay. Next, shower, take a shower, dusche. Get dressed or dress myself is going to be ziehe mich.
Get dressed,
Und
und.
Yeah. Pavni, please show your hands a little bit up, and Rajesh sir as well. We can't see your hands gestures. Okay. And then Frühstücker. Okay, Frühstücker, eat breakfast. Frühstücker.
Eat breakfast, Frühstücke, Frühstücke.
Ashar, I get dressed and eat breakfast. Okay. Ich dusche, sehe mich und frühstücke.
Ich dusche, sehe mich und frühstücke.
Very nice. Okay, next, was frühstückst du? Okay, was frühstückst du? Again, frühstückst and do, we are going to mix together. Okay, means merge together, so it's going to be frühstückst du. Okay, frühstückst du again. So let's say, was was
What was
eat for breakfast? Frühstückst.
Eat
eat for breakfast, Frühstückst.
You do
You do
like or with pleasure. Again.
like or with pleasure.
What do you like for breakfast? Okay. What's frühstückst du again?
What's Frühstückst again?
Again.
What's Frühstückst?
Rajesh sir, kindly speak. What's frühstückst again?
Was frühstückst du gern?
Yeah. Okay. Let's move to the next slide. And in the next slide, we are going to check it out how to say this one. Usually or most of the time, we are going to say meistens.
Usually or most of the times, meistens.
Okay. Essay, eat, essay.
Eat,
Eat,
essay,
essay.
Ish, you know, ish.
Ish.
Brought.
Bread.
Bought. Mit. With mit.
Meat.
Butter.
Butter.
Und.
And
Trinke.
Trinke.
Cafe.
Coffee.
So, usually I eat bread with butter and drink coffee. Okay. So, meistens esse ich Brot mit Butter und trinke Kaffee.
Butter and drinking coffee.
Mit butter und trinke Kaffee.
Now, we're again, I wish we already know. So, trinke also we have practiced. Let's do morgens.
Morgens.
Always immer.
Always immer.
Okay, and then tea.
Tea.
Okay. Ich trinke morgen immer Tee.
Ich trinke morgens immer Tee.
I always drink tea in the morning. Ich trinke morgen immer Tee.
Ich trinke morgens immer Tee.
Speak loud and clear, guys. Okay, do not speak so in the lower voice, so you can't even hear yourself, because the louder you will speak and you will remember it forever and ever. Okay, so speak. Aradhya, please sit properly. Stop yawning. So, like how it is, my dear Shining Stars, we are going to use Zungenbrecher, and in Zungenbrecher, we are going to kindly sit with the water bottle, my dear Shining Stars, so you should behave nicely in the class. So, how it is, my dear Shining Stars, that in Zungenbrecher, today we are going to learn beer brewing bar, it's a last name, Braun's beer, okay? So, beer brauer, braut, brownness, beer. Beer brauer, Brown, brownness, bear. Okay, try everybody.
Beer, brown,
Brown, brownness, bear. Here, brownness, bear.
brown is beer.
Okay, everybody should practice it nicely more. Let's move to day Früchte. And here in this, we are going to learn how to speak fruits names in Deutsch. So first is the grapes, then strawberry, then peach, and then watermelon. Would you like to guess, my dear shining stars?
Trauben,
Watermelon.
Wassermelone,
Watermelon
and Pfirsisch.
Okay, so let's learn it. Trauben, Trauben. Grapes is Trauben. And then we have strawberry over here. So Erdbeerei, Erdbeerei. And then we have also peach over here. So it's peafish, 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 peafish. Okay, and then watermelon, watermelon, watermelon. Okay, watermelon. All right, so here we go. Farben. Farben is a colors. And today we are going to learn dark, light, golden, and silver. So when it comes to dark, we say dunkel, dunkel. Light, light or bright, we're gonna say hell, hell. And golden, we're gonna say golden, golden.
Golden.
And silver, silben, Absolutely awesome. Okay, and then we are also doing zal. Zal means number. So let's try. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Kindly speak, everybody.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Okay, absolutely awesome. What a shot. And here we go with our song. But before we are going to just do the reading over here. So let's try to read first and then we'll be doing the song. So first you can read after me and then song we'll be listening from all of you together then. Okay. So let's say, lass uns froh und munter sein.
Froh und munter sein.
Uns recht von Herzen freuen.
Uns recht von Herzen freuen.
Lustig, lustig, stralalala.
Lustig, tralalala.
Bald ist Nikolausabend.
Bald ist Nikolausabend.
Dann stell ich den Teller auf.
Dann stell ich den Teller auf.
Nicholas liegt quiz. Was drauf.
Nicholas liegt quiz was drauf.
Okay, wait a minute, someone has to be joining. Okay, right, again, lustig, tralalala.
Lustig, tralalala.
Wann ist Nikolausabend?
Bald ist Nikolausabend.
Okay, my dear Shining Star. So rest of the next part, we are going to try to do it tomorrow. In the second part, we are going to go through this song. And I believe I have even sent you this song so you can practice it. And then we'll sing it tomorrow together, okay? Let's make it to be continued, all right? So, nett Sie kennen Sie lernen.
Ganz meinerseits.
Bis
Kennen
bald.
Sie lernen.
Bis später, bis bald.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Bis später.